Carlos has a fishy. Fishy, fishy. How is it, Carlos? It's giving you a good fight? Starting, it's gonna get jumping.
He's on shore. Go fast up.
Go, 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 go! Go, go, more.
That's the t-shirt.
I
gotta bite it, right? Yeah, this part. Take it.
Gotta go, you gotta do it.
This is a good one.
Oh, it's a really nice one.
Okay.
It should be. He told me to hold it and I was just like...
Yeah, it's slippery.
Are we going to kill him or let him go?
We're gonna kill him.
Kill him, okay.
Of course.
Okay.
Get a badass fish.
Yeah, I gotta... He caught it.
There we go.
Okay.
Maybe this is the one earlier.
I had a nibble. Yeah, but... Well, stoked? Happy camper? Maybe. Yeah, he's not gonna go anywhere.
Nah.
After he killed him for sure.
Okay. This is yours.
Now I can hold it.
And the head. Okay.
Vad du kan hålla? You have to bite this one here, this part here. Bite it off.
Bite this one. Bite it off?
Bite that thing.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah. There we go.
Well done.
You're inaugurated. Any last words?
Fuck yeah.
Okay.